Good morning students. Welcome in our maths lecture with new chapter, that is chapter number 9, HCF and LCM. Right? What is HCF and what is LCM? Before learning that, let's recall our dividend and divisor. Last year you have seen, or this you are doing from your 4th standard only. Now when we are dividing 36 by 4, answer is 9. How come? This way. Right? Now in this case, this is your quotient. Right? This is your quotient. This is your dividend. This is your divisor. And this is your remainder. Right? Now see, in this case, the number to which we are dividing is called as dividend. The number by which we are dividing is called divisor. Answer is called quotient, and the remaining digits or the remaining numbers are called remainder. Now see, this divisor is your factor of this number. Right? This also we have might learn in last year how to take factor of any number. Right? The number which is completely divided by other number, that other number is called as factor of that number. Likewise, in practice set 23, you have to take out some factors of given number and you have to list out common factors of the same. Now see, I am taking second and fourth sum from that, PS 23. Right? Now second sum is 21 and 24. These are the two numbers given. Now every number is divided by 1, that is by default. So you have to write 1. Now here you have to utilize your test of divisibility. Now see, in first number, after 1, first number is 2. Can 21 divide by 2? No, because 1 is on unit place. So 2 is not possible. Now see 3. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 can divide 3. So this 21 also can divide by 3. Now 4. 4's divisibility test is unit place and tens place. If divided by 4, then the complete number is divided by 4. 21 cannot divide by 4, so this is also not possible. Next number is 5. 5's divisibility test is when unit place having 0 or 5, then it is divided by 5. So here not possible. Then next divisibility test is 9. 9 can divide 21? No, because 2 plus 1 cannot divide. Now see in 7th table, 7 3s are 21. So you can divide by 7 also. Right? Now after 7, no number can divide 21 other than 21. So your answer last factor is 21 because that number divided itself. Next is 24. 1. Then because 4 is there, 2. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore 3. Right? 24 can divide by 4. That's why 4. Right? Next 5 not possible. Then 6. By 6 it can divide. 7 not possible. 8 3s are 24, so 8. Right? Then 8 after 8, 12. 12 2s are 24, and after 12 directly 24. See, if you can observe, when 12 twos are 24 comes, then first place only remaining, so it will 24, last factor is. Now you have to remove the common factors from them. So what is common factor? See, 1 is common, right? Then 3 is common, right? Other than this, any one is common, any number is common? No. So the common factors are 1 and 3. Understand? Now move to the next term. That is fourth one. Fourth one is what? 24 and 25. Now see, 24. 1 is common, then 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Right? In 25, 1, 2 not possible, 3 not possible, 4 not possible, directly 5. Then you are 25. Now see, in these two, which number is common? Only 1. So the common factor is 1. Understand? Now see, up to this you understand how to remove the factors or how to take out the factors. Now from this, when we are removing common factors, the highest number which divide both the number is called as HCF, highest common factor. Understand? So that type of sum we have to solve. First I am taking the solve sum. See how to take out HCF of two numbers. See, 12 and 16 and 18 are the two numbers given, right? You have to first take out the factors of these two. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not, 6, then directly 12, right? Next number is 18. 1, 2, 3, then 4 not 6 directly, then 9, then 18. Now see, if you are removing common factors of these two common factors, what are the common factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? Now see, among these common factor, which number is greater? 6. So your HCF is 6. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Understand? Now based on this, you have your practice set 24. That practice set 24 we are taking in the next lecture. So your today's homework is practice set 23 complete. Right? If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. I'll solve your doubt definitely. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.